Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing a full 2025 guide on how to use Google Slides, Google's free cloud-based presentation tool. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who needs to create eye-catching slides, this quick tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know to start designing like a pro. Stick with me until the end so you don't miss the best tips for making your slides pop. Accessing Google Slides. First, let's get to Google Slides. Open your web browser and type docs.google.com/presentation or simply search Google Slides on Google. This takes you to the main homepage. You'll need a Google account to create and save your presentations. If you don't have one, don't worry. It only takes a minute to sign up and it's completely free. Once you're signed in, you can access your slides from any device, anywhere. Starting a new presentation. On the home page, you'll see a big plus sign labeled blank. Click it to start a fresh, empty presentation. A new tab opens with your very first slide, ready for your ideas. Adding and editing content. Now it's time to fill those slides. Click directly on the text boxes to add a title or content. Use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl-B to bold or Ctrl-I to italicize important points. To add visuals, head to the Insert menu at the top. From here, you can upload images from your computer, search the web for free images, or insert shapes, charts, and even videos. This is perfect for making your presentation more engaging, customizing your design. A great presentation isn't just about words, it's about style. On the right side of the toolbar, you'll find the Theme button. Click it to open a panel of ready-made designs. One simple click on any theme instantly transforms the entire look of your slides. You can also adjust background colors, fonts, and layouts for a more personal touch. Because Google Slides saves automatically to your Google Drive, you never have to worry about losing your work. You can also share your presentation by clicking the yellow Share button in the top right corner, perfect for collaborating with classmates or coworkers in real time. And that's it, your complete 2025 guide to using Google Slides. With these steps, you can create clean, professional presentations in just minutes, accessible from anywhere. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tech guides, and let me know in the comments what tool you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.